Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. Then 13 minus 2 is equal to also 11. Okay. Now 11 multiply 11 is equal to 121. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis and second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, here is a parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. So is equal to 13 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So 13 minus, now 2 multiply 11 is equal to 22. Okay. So is equal to, now 13 minus 22 is equal to minus 9. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 9. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.